You don't like them? Or you don't like white people? You only 5?
Ugly as fucking hell.
How you know all about this? You only 5 years old.
No, I'm not. I'm 8 years old.
Oh, how you know then?
Huh?
How you don't like white people then? You only 8.
Because I don't like white fucking people.
So you racist?
No, fuck I'm not. Fuck I'm not, boy.
You racist if you don't like white people then?
I don't give a fuck as I'm racist.
It ain't good. It ain't right to hate white people.
I hate motherfucking white people. I only like white chicks.
Man, you bad, though. Hey, don't raise your kids like this, man.
I ain't raising my fucking kids like this. Fuck people. Fuck everybody.
This real.
Not God, not God.
This real bad parenting right here. Kids don't supposed to be like this.
I know kids don't supposed to be like this, but you put me online, nigga. Put me online, nigga. Put me online, nigga. Woo! Twinks.
God still love you though.
Yep, God love you. Love you.
And white people love you.
Praise them.
White people love you too.
No, they don't.
Why?
Cause they always jacking. And I'm beat they. Today I almost got in a fight with a white people.
All white people ain't bad people though.
Yeah, huh?
So they don't like
3
what?
cigarettes.
Huh?
Right there.
What?
3 cigarettes right there. 3 cigarettes right there.
You don't like white people?
Nope.
Alright then.
Alright.
Yep.
Peace it.
Yes, what I do? I went to school. I don't care about that. My grandmother lived 104. You know how long? Here. And right here. My family said my grandmother lived, but she just died this year. Okay. She was a slave. Okay, you right here in Stone Mountain. You can go and you
Who says that our ancestors weren't slaves?
Hold on, I'm talking about in this country that built this country, and we don't get no reparations. But y'all come over here. Hold on. McDonald's, okay, which is a very huge company.
I know
there was a
slow.
There was a small company, but they don't charge you for no water. You come over here, you get all kinds of tax breaks, but then you charge us for the water? Are you serious? We're the one that built the pipes under this building, baby.
Wait.
If we pay for it.
Corporate, this is private.
I don't care. I don't give a damn.
Just because you're wrong doesn't make you right.
I don't care. You know, it's not about being right. It's about what happened. What's the truth?
You're not
your right and my right.
You're not a slave.
My right. I come from slavery.
No, you didn't.
We do too.
We're African, so we know. You don't know where the fuck we're from. Just because we're brown, don't stereotype.
I'm talking about African American.
Can you leave?
My parents were born in Africa, but good job.
We're African American. Thank you very much. If you want
Kenya and Uganda.
Our parents were born in Africa.
Okay, in Africa.
Yes.
In Africa, not African American.
What the hell does that mean?
African American means that your ancestors were brought over here through the slave ship.
It doesn't really make any sense.
Yes, it does.
No, it
That's
really
what
doesn't.
it does. That's what it
You're
means.
African soldiers.
My dad is a Nigerian. Okay. For real.
My dad's from Uganda.
But my grandmother, my ancestry comes from slavery. My grandmother was here when slavery was.
What's this got to do with anything?
Because y'all come over here.
Who's yours?
Who's
yours?
I'm saying your ancestry.
Who's our ancestors? Where are we from?
Your country. You're not from here.
Where is that?
You're not from here.
So where are we?
From here.
Where are we from then?
Your mother's mother wasn't raised here. My generation only go back one generation.
You know where my mother's mother was raised?
My
Why are you
grandmother.
screaming? Do you know where my mother's
No, you're the one getting. But you don't know. So you think that? Only thing I'm saying is y'all come over here, and I'm saying y'all because the majority, we can go in my community. I live in Lithonia. When I go in my community, it's not me that's owning it. Okay? When I go to the nail shop, it's like the man said, it's the Vietnamese and
people
the
that want to work.
Chinese
People that want to work.
But they come over here, you own the industry. The Indians come over here, they own the hotels.
Yeah.
And they own me.
Because we want to make money.
Guess what? But I'm asking you, why is there an industry of you? Who has opened the market to you?
Those people that want jobs. People that want jobs.
Hold on. If you go all the way back, okay? At one point in time, it was us that owned it. Okay, in our own communities. You got to go back in our history of who we were. Hold on, but let me tell you, when crack was brought into our communities, it broke up our families. Okay,
wait, I didn't bring crack.
Right, no, you didn't. But you reaped the repercussions and you reaped the benefits of crack being brought into our community. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's a system.
Why are you screaming at me?
Because you don't understand it's a system.
No, you
and
don't
you've been part
understand,
of the
thank you.
system.
You
I understand it
hold up.
because I'm
You
the victim of
I
it.
don't give a fuck. You go to the bank. You get
Fuck
a
you.
loan.
You might
You go to the bank. You get a loan.
What
You
mean?
get a gas station.
Excuse me. Let me ask you why I can't get a loan.
Why?
And I'm supposed to be. And wait a minute. Hold on. What was what is it called?
Don't even know.
Oh God. Something about affirmative action. Why was affirmative action here since you so fucking smart and you know so motherfucking everything and you think that our black people, we just can't own shit and we don't want to be a part of own shit in our own community. We want you owning shit in our community. We want you to go back to where you live because where I live, don't none of you live. But you come to our community
That's
to take
fine.
our money.
Yeah.
Why you at? You in the black community? Why we don't
You're
own
right.
this?
You're right.
Why we don't own this?
That's
Why
your
we don't own the
fault.
hair store down the street?
That's your
That's
fault.
what I'm. You know what? Ain't our fault. I want to own a hair store. But guess what?
Go
When I
for
get ready to
it.
go try to own a hair store, who controls the industry? The Chinese. They gotta sell it to us, so they don't want to sell to us.
Whose fault is
They do not
that?
want to. No.
Are we
It's not our
Chinese?
fault. You have to have open up opportunity, which is an open market. Okay. Okay, my thing is, y'all come over here and you.
Who's
Are you
y'all?
asking for water?
Who's
Are you
y'all?
serious?
From?
Are you
Where are we
serious?
from?
Just understand what I'm saying. That's how. That's how.
Love him.
Go do something. Fuck you! You don't know where the fuck I'm from, motherfucker! You don't know where
Go
I'm
back to your
from!
country. Go back to your country. Make your money there.
I'm fine
Make
with
your
that.
money in
Money's
your
here.
country.
Money's
Put
here.
it on here. Put it on here.
Who's
All
gone?
motherfuckers
do
are
that.
India and motherfucking China
We're not from
and Vietnamese.
India.
Go back to your country.
sound like we're
Let
from
the banks
India.
let us own our own shit in our community.
Don't get them into
Economics.
this.
Oh, they in agreement with me.
No.
Because they suffer. Black people suffer.
You
we don't
suffer
have a
your
job.
own benefits.
We don't own shit.
Bye.
You go back to your community.
I'm fine with
Fuck you,
that.
bitch. You ain't got to take my dollar, bitch. But I
Bye.
bet you said, guess what?
What?
I bet if I could do a boycott and black people don't serve you,
Go
which
for
is
it.
community you serve,
Go
Try
for
it.
you will suffer.
Try it.
I ain't got
Try
time
it.
for that.
Try it.
I ain't got time
I
for
want to
that.
see your face in the AGC
Fuck
tomorrow.
you, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck you, bitch. Go back to your country.
That's fine, because I'm still going
Go
to be
back to
here.
your country.
And you're still
Go
going to be
be
in
in my
your
community
situation.
Get out of the black community.
This is my land.
Get
You're
out
on
of the
it.
black community.
Excuse me,
Go
you're
back
on my
to your,
property.
to your home.
This is private property.
Bitch, you don't own this.
This is
you
private
renting it,
property.
bitch.
No, we
No,
own it.
we own it.
Well,
Fuck you.
well,
'cause we
sell it
own
to
it.
us
Don't say it.
and
No,
go back
thank you.
home.
No, thank
Sell
you.
it to us.
It's making me
Let
money.
us get
Why
the
would
loan.
it?
Let us get the loan. Go home.
You can't.
Let us make the money.
You need
So
credit.
we can have our homes. We can have our children. We ain't got to deal with child support. We ain't got to deal with welfare. We ain't got to deal
Don't
with
have
Section 8, bitch.
Get a job.
We ain't got to deal
Bye.
with Section 8, bitch.
Bye.
Fuck you.
Hey.
You
Bye.
better check the fuck up for this get thrown on.
Hey,
Because I don't give a
no.
fuck.
No.
Fuck
Oh,
you, bitch.
okay. I.
Did you record that whole thing?
Yep, 6 minutes.